So friends, let's see today's lovely Goan Brinjal Pickle. So now here I've taken one medium-sized brinjal, washed it really well, wiped it dry, and I've cut off the tip of it, and I'm going to cut it lengthwise into half and then again into smaller pieces like this, and then we're going to cube it into medium-sized pieces. We don't want very small pieces, but medium-sized pieces like this. Now I've taken a colander and I've placed a plate below it, and I'm just going to put all the cubes into that colander. Now this is my Nana's recipe, and she used to make it, always in the summertime or just before the monsoons. And you could call this an instant pickle because you could have it the same day. Of course, it matures with age and it tastes even better as you keep it longer. And it has a long shelf life also. So now that I've cut up all of the cubes, I'm just going to sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of salt. Now keep a plate below the colander. And you'll see that we're going to keep it aside for 8 hours, and you'll see that water collects. Keep discarding the water that collects down this on the plate. And after 8 hours, we're just going to squeeze out all the water. So just squeeze out all the water as much as you can. You can also tie it up into a muslin cloth and then, squeeze it out, because let me caution you, this brinjal, depends, you do get a little bit of itchiness in your hands. So what I did is I just applied a little bit of oil on my hands before I started to squeeze out the water, because I do get a little bit of itchiness. So to avoid that, put a little bit of oil on the palm of your hands. So now we're going to go to the masala paste ingredients that we need for this lovely pickle. So here I have an inch of ginger, 8 cloves of garlic, about a tablespoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric, about 7 dried red chilies, and half a cup of vinegar. Now I like grinding this masala on my masala stone, because then you don't use any kind of water and it's completely only with vinegar. But you can grind this in your mixer grinder too. But I like to grind it on the masala stone. It just it just reminds me of my childhood, because I used to do this whenever my grandmom used to make the pickle. She used to always ask me to grind the masala, and I love doing this. So you can grind it on your mixer grinder too, but we're not going to use even a drop of water for this pickle. So ensure that your mixer grinder is nice and dry, and you only add vinegar. That way the shelf life of your pickle will also last long. So now we have our masala paste nice and ready and fine. It should be really, really fine. All the chili should be ground well. So just take it out in a bowl or a plate. So now here we have our brinjal with, we've taken out all the water. This is our masala paste. Now besides that, we require just a few ingredients. So here I've taken about 5 large cloves of garlic and I've chopped them really fine. These are about 7 to 8 or maybe more, few curry leaves. This is about half a cup of jaggery, but you can, adjust it as per your taste. And this is about half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder and some salt to taste. Now here I've taken about 1.5 cup of oil in a pan. You do require a little more than, you require oil for this recipe. So now we're going to add the brinjal. See that your oil is nice and hot, and we're going to cook on a low to medium flame. Now we're going to add our brinjal, and we're going to fry the brinjal for at least a whole 2 minutes till the brinjal is nice and fried. So you'll get this kind of a brownish tinge to the brinjal. But this is also very important if you want a nice long shelf life for the pickle. Now once it's done, drain out all the excess oil and put them on a kitchen napkin so that it absorbs all the excess oil. Now to the same oil, I'm going to add the chopped up garlic. Fry the garlic also for a minute till it turns into a little light brown color. Next we're going to add the curry leaves. Now try to use fresh curry leaves for that lovely extra beautiful flavor for the pickle. Now I'm going to add this ground masala paste. And now mix it really nicely into the oil, and then you'll come to know that it's nicely fried, because you'll get the aroma of the beautiful spices that we've added, and the vinegar especially. You'll get the lovely smell or the aroma rather of the vinegar. Now I'm going to add this Kashmiri chili powder. This is just added for color, so that you get that nice rich color to the pickle. And now I'm going to add the brinjal that we fried. Mix everything in really nicely. And now we're going to add the jaggery. Now you can add it as per your taste. I'm going with half a cup, but then after mixing up everything and cooking it for about half a minute, you can just do a taste test to see whether you need to add salt, whether you need to add jaggery, whether you need to add a little more of maybe chili powder if you want it a little spicy. So do a taste test. Now I am adding a little bit of salt to taste. And now we're just going to mix everything really well. And I'm just going to cook this mixture on a low to medium flame for about 2 minutes at least. And then we're going to turn off the heat completely and we're going to let the mixture cool completely. Only once the mixture is completely cool, transfer it to a nice, dry and clean glass bottle. And our brinjal pickle is ready. You can have it on the same day. It does taste delicious, but the longer you keep it, it matures and tastes even better. So I hope you like this recipe and I hope you do give it a try. Do let me know in the comments section below how you like it. I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.